side to side, as if she was looking for something, but not finding whatever she was looking for. Nanny straightened her neck and turned around. That's it. She tried to turn around, but couldn't quite get her tail feathers to turn around too.
Oh, for my feathers! I believe I'm stuck. Oh my goodness! Whatever will I do? Stuck in the children's playhouse? Oh dear me! Help! Help!
Not too far away, the children were playing.
But it's my turn to be Nanny Bird. Nanny Bird is big, Callie, and you're too little. It doesn't matter how big you are, so what if I'm little? It's Casey's turn, Rachel, because you were Nanny Bird last time. Oh no, I can't be Nanny Bird. I have freckles. Nanny Bird's a lot prettier than I am. Casey, Nanny Bird isn't prettier. She's just, different. That's all. Well, if I can't be Nanny Bird, then I'm not gonna play. Don't be like that, Rachel. You have to learn to share. Nobody's gonna make me share. I'm going home.
Oh my goodness, children. I do hope I'm not interrupting anything, but I believe I hear someone calling.
Help! Help! That sounds like the real Nanny Bird. Come on, let's go find her.
I should say you'd better find her. She could use some help.
Nanny Bird, where are you?
In the playhouse!
Oh, there you are. Nanny Bird, how do you get stuck in our playhouse?
Oh, I'm so glad to see you, children. I was just looking for my glasses, which I seem to have lost. And that's why I had my beak to the ground. You see, it's awfully difficult to find your glasses without your glasses on to see. So I just wandered into your playhouse. And when I tried to turn around, I was stuck. Oh, just plumb stuck. Oh, dear me. I do hope you children can get me out.
We'll try to get you out, Nanny Bird. Yeah, we'll try.
We can work together just to help a friend. We can work together just to help a friend. 'Cause we are all in the Lord's family, and that's the way that a family should be. So take a care break, just to help a friend. A care break, so we can help a friend. If somebody needs us, we'll show them how we care. 'Cause we are in the Lord's family.
If one of you could just push my tail feathers up a bit this way.
We'll pull your arms this way, Nanny Bird. Uh-oh, now it's really stuck. Don't worry, Nanny Bird. We'll keep trying. If someone is crying, I will wipe the tears. If someone is whispering, I'll open up my ears.
We're all in the Lord's family, and that's the way that a family should be. So take a care break, just to help a friend. A care break, so we can help a friend. If somebody needs us, we'll show them how we care. 'Cause we are in the Lord's family.
Yes, Nanny Bird.
Oh, dear me. How can I see to find my glasses without my glasses on to see?
Maybe we can help you, Nanny Bird. Yeah, we can help you see. We'll be your eyes.
You children will help me? Flying full of feathers. What a wonderful idea. You can help me find my glasses. Now let's see where we can start. Perhaps they're in your playhouse.
No, Nanny Bird, you already looked in there, remember? You got stuck in there. Remember, Nanny Bird?
What? That's right. Well, where else can we look?
My mommy always says if you lose something, you better think about where you've been and walk backwards through the day. Where was the last place you remember being, Nanny Bird?
Why, the playhouse, of course.
No, Nanny Bird, before that.
What? Before the playhouse? Well, let's see. Today, I went for a walk in the forest of feathers and friends, and I believe I talked to a rabbit. Or maybe that was yesterday. Oh, feathers, remembering is so hard for me.
And so, Nanny Bird thought, and thought, and thought again, until finally she remembered what she had forgotten.
Oh yes, now I remember. I was thirsty, and whenever I get thirsty, I go to the silver stream by the edge of the forest of feathers and friends, and I get a drink of water.
So the children and Nanny Bird walked to the silvery stream at the edge of the forest of feathers and friends to see if they could find Nanny Bird's lost glasses.
I can see your glasses anywhere, Nanny Bird.
Now, perhaps, as I was getting a drink, it fell off my knee. Oh dear me, I can't see anything at all down there. How can I see to find your glasses without your glasses on to see?
The children and Nanny Bird all looked long and hard into the water.
Look up from their faces, look in the water. They're all squiggly. How come we all look different?
Why, Patty, that's easy. It's because Jesus loves you. He loves you so much that He wanted to make each one of you special. Look how Jesus made you special, everyone. Each of you are different, specially begun. Like a lovely flower blossoms as it grows. Jesus made you special because He loves you so.
Special, speciality, that's how Jesus made us. Special, speciality, that's because He loves us. Special, speciality, that's how Jesus made us. Special, speciality, that's because He loves us. That's because He loves us.
I think I just tripped on something.
Oh, look, it's a rag doll. It was a rag doll. Oh, it's all dirty. Look at its messy hair.
Poor thing. It looks like someone forgot about her. Are you alright, my dear?
Oh, I'm so ashamed.
Whatever for, child.
Oh, to be seen in this condition, I'm so embarrassed.
Oh, don't be embarrassed, my dear. You're my friends.
What's your name? My name is Rebecca. Rebecca Rata. But I look more like a Rata muffin. And I've been here such a long time. Indeed, I was last here by mistake. And then I came. And I got money. And then the rabbits played with my hair. And left it messy. And now you come along. And now I feel so ugly.
Oh, dear Rebecca. You know, being beautiful has nothing to do with how you look on the outside.
Why? What do you mean, Nanny Bird?
Why, beauty, my dear, comes from your heart. It comes from loving and from being loved. Why, anyone can be beautiful just by letting Jesus love them. Come on, children, let's clean Rebecca off. We can make her beautiful by just loving her.
I want to beautiful, Rebecca. I guess when somebody loves you, you really do become beautiful, even if you have freckles like me. Oh, thank you all so much. You all love me to being beautiful.
The love of Jesus makes all of us beautiful.
And so, Rebecca Ragdoll became beautiful again because her friends loved her. Not meaning to change the subject, Rebecca, but have you seen Nanny Bird's glasses?
Nanny Bird's glasses?
Oh, that's right. Yes, you see, I've lost my glasses. Rebecca, have you seen them?
No, Nanny Bird, I haven't. And I've been here a very long time.
Oh dear me. How can you see to find your glasses without your glasses on the sea? Oh, I do hope we can find them.
I'll help you look for them, Nanny Bird. My eyes are perfectly fine. Now let's see. I've always heard that the thing to do is to remember all the places where you've been and then walk backwards through the day. Now, where was the last place you remember being, Nanny Bird?
And so, Nanny Bird thought and thought and thought again until she remembered what she has forgotten.
Oh yes, the tree.
What tree, Nanny Bird?
Why, of course, the tree in the forest of feathers and friends. That's it.
Nanny Bird, there's a whole bunch of trees in the forest.
Oh yes, of course. But this is a special tree because it was carving on it. It was a picture of a heart and these words, I love Jesus.
But Nanny Bird, how are we supposed to find one tree in the whole forest of feathers and friends?
Oh, didn't I mention that before? This tree is just 10 bird steps from the old wooden bridge. You see, I stopped there to eat my lunch. Birdseed makes quite a good lunch. Dinner too, I might add. Anyway, after I ate the birdseed, I became quite thirsty, at which point I went to the silver stream for a drink of water.
And so, after that rather long explanation, Nanny Bird, Rebecca, and the children walked into the forest of feathers and friends to find the tree with the carving on it. It seemed like they were walking in circles until finally they came to the old wooden bridge.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There it is. Yep, it's a carving. I love Jesus.
Oh, I'm so glad you found it. Now, if I could see, I would look around for any leftover birdseed on the ground. But you know, how can you see to find your glasses without your glasses on the sea?
And so, everyone looked and looked and looked again under the tree and all around the old wooden bridge. Well, they were all so busy looking that they almost didn't hear the voice when it spoke. Ouch!
Who said ouch?
I said ouch, and I wish you'd be more careful, Granny Bird or whatever your name is, you step on my tail.
Oh, dear me, it's a ducking. What is it ducking?
Booker T. Worm, that's my name.
Well, I am happy to meet you, Mr. Booker T. Worm.
But you can call me Booker if you'd like.
Why, of course, Booker it is. I'm dreadfully sorry to have stepped on your back end. Oh, dear me, dreadfully sorry. You see, I've lost my glasses and I can't see very well.
Well, I suppose I can fix it. Fix what? My tail got
it's not easy being a worm, you know. Oh no, I suppose not. Slaking along in the grass, right where everybody and their brother can step on you, being the shortest dude on the block. It's not just that some things are bigger than me. Seems like everything's bigger than me. I tell you, it's not easy being a worm. I never thought about that before. Why do you suppose I wear these shades? 'Cause the sun bothers me? No way, man! I wear these so I can feel like I'm somebody. Just like the movie stars, man. They make me look real cool.
Oh, dear me, Booker. You don't have to wear sunglasses to be important. No, you're important all by yourself. You see, it's not every day you meet a talking worm. And besides that, did you know that Jesus made you? Now, why do you suppose Jesus took all the trouble to make you if he didn't care about you?
You see, Booker, I know what it's like to be little, because I'm the littlest one. But I'll tell you a secret. Mommy always says, put these comments on darkness.
Yeah, I guess it don't matter how big you are. So what if I'm little?
Slipping and sliding around in the ground. I like to cool earth when I'm crawling around. But when my slow-moving tail gets in somebody's way, I say, please don't go and step on me. Man, don't go step in my tail. I'm slowly slinking front to back like a miniature train crawling on its track. But when my slow-moving tail gets in somebody's way, I said, please don't go and step on me. 'Cause I'm a creature made by the master's hand. There's nobody like me in the whole wide land. 'Cause I am one of a kind, original Jesus design. Ain't anybody like me? Hey man, I'm one of a kind. Oh yeah! I'm a preacher made by the master's hand. There's nobody like me in the whole wide land. 'Cause I am one of a kind, original Jesus design.
See, Booker, you are special.
Yeah, I guess I am Nanny Bird. Hey, if you need a pair of glasses, well, you can use my shades.
Why? Thank you, Booker. Well, I suppose that I could try them. Oh, dear me. These glasses don't make me see any better. They just make everything look darker.
Nanny Bird was right, of course. Sunglasses do make everything look darker. But strangely enough, storm clouds were rolling in, and it was really getting darker.
Uh-oh, it looks like it's gonna rain. We better find shelter somewhere. I felt a drop. Me too.
Though soon, it began to pour, and before Nanny Bird could say flying fluff feathers, Booker T had found a nice dry cave for everyone to rest in. The children, Nanny Bird, Booker, and Rebecca all sat down and looked at the rain falling hard outside. And soon, as if their tummies all growled at once, they all found that they were quite hungry. The children took their sandwiches out of their pockets, and Nanny Bird quite suddenly remembered that she still had some birdseed underneath her hat. Of course, they all began to share their food with Rebecca and Booker too, who hadn't thought to bring their own. Everything was warm and quiet until suddenly they heard such a loud noise behind them, they jumped to their feet, for behind them, making a terrible growling noise, stood a big brown bear!
My goodness, children! This is not just an ordinary cave. I believe we're standing in someone's living room.
What are you doing in my house?
We are very sorry, sir, to go barging into your cave. But you see, when it began to rain outside,
We didn't know what to do. So we looked for the closest dry place we could find. And that's how we ended up here.
oh, let me introduce myself. I'm Nanny Bird, and what might your name be?
My name? You don't know me? I'm Starvin Marvin, the biggest and strongest animal in the whole forest.
Here's Robin and I'm Steven. We are the biggest bears in the whole forest.
I'm the biggest, I'm the strongest, I'm the wildest and the longest of them all. Of you. I want honey in my tummy, cause I know that it's a yummy thing to eat.
That's the sweet.
Not for me. Everybody hides when I go outside. They all run away when I want to play. Even when I say, time out today. So I'm really just a strong and lonesome bear.
I'm really just a strong and handsome bear.
And now that you woke me up, I'm hungry. What's that I smell?
Yeah, what's that smell? Oh, that's just my peanut butter and honey sandwich.
Honey? Did you say honey?
So I'll share my sandwich with you, Mr. Starvin Marvin, sir.
Here you go, Marvin.
Share? Nobody's gonna make me share. I want more.
You can have my sandwich. Mine too. Here's mine.
You're the biggest and the strongest and the widest and the tallest of us all.
Of who?
Oh,
Yeah.
Put honey in your tummy 'cause you know that it's a yummy thing to eat.
It's so sticky.
I'm not picky.
Everybody hides when you go outside. They all run away when you want to play.
Even if I say, time out today.
So you're really just a strong and lonesome bear.
Yes, I'm really just a strong and lonesome bear.
I have some birdseed, which you're welcome to have, Mr. Starvin Marvin.
Birdseed? Yuck! I'm a bear, not a bird. I hate birdseed.
We hate birdseed.
Oh dear!
Hey man, you're being pretty rude to Nanny Bird, you know? I mean, all these kids give you their lunch, and Nanny Bird offers you her birdseed, and all the things they get is growling? I think your manners need some improvement, Marvin. You're the biggest and the strongest and the widest and the tallest of us all.
Yup, that's me.
That is really not much best friend and you'll have no friends.
No friends?
No friends!
As if you only care about what's hidden there, no one will ever stay or come out to play.
Even if I say time out today.
Oh, you're really just as strong and not so fair.
Yes, I'm really just a strong and lonesome bear.
Nobody wants to be my friend.
No problem, my friend.
Mr. Starvin Marvin, we'd like to be your friends, but you're scaring us, and we can't be your friends if we're afraid of you.
Do you mean that? You really want to be my friends?
I think they want to be a friend, Marvin.
Oh yes, Starvin Marvin, but you see, you have to learn something about friendship first. Why you don't have friends? Because you make everyone afraid of you. There's only one way to have friends.
Oh,
Why? That's simple. In order to have friends, you have to be a friend.
Take my hand and walk with me. Show me things I've never seen. With the love that Jesus gives, we can be friends.
If you're sad, I'll make you smile. Sit with you a little while. With the love that Jesus gives, we can be friends.
So take my hand and walk with me. We'll be friends like we should be. Sharing His love as we open up. We can be friends. Heart I'll share with you. Secret dreams we hope come true. With the love that Jesus gives, we can be friends. Take my hand and walk with me. We'll be friends like we should be. Sharing His love as we open up. We can be friends. My hand and walk with me. Show me things I've never seen. With the love that Jesus gives, we can be friends.
I'm sorry about my bad manners. I hope you can forgive me.
I'm glad you're my friend.
You know, I've never seen any of you before, and I've been living in this forest a long, long time. What are you all doing here anyway?
Well, you see, Nanny Bird lost her glasses and we're all helping her look for them.
All of you?
Well, it's difficult when you've lost your glasses, Marvin, because how can you see to find your glasses without your glasses on to see?
I see, that's a problem. But maybe I can help. I'm quite tall, as you can see, and maybe I can come along with you and help you look.
Oh, that's That's very kind of you, Marvin.
Well, I've always been told that the best way to find something you've lost is to think very hard about where you've been and then walk backwards through the day. Where else have you been today, Nanny Bird?
And so Nanny Bird thought and thought and thought again. But this time she couldn't quite remember what she had forgotten.
Oh, Felix, this is so difficult. I was in the children's playhouse and got stuck inside of all things. And oh, yes, I got a drink at a silver string by the edge of the forest venison fence. And of course, we met Rebecca there.
And you ate some bird seed underneath the tree with the I love Jesus carving on it.
And that's where you ran into me, Booker T.
Oh, my eyes are so goggled, and my brain is so boggled, and I'm so tired of thinking so hard. I just can't remember where else I've been.
That's okay, Nanny Bird. I'm sure we'll find your glasses somewhere. Oh, look! It stopped raining. Let's go outside.
So Nanny Bird and her friends stepped outside and breathed very deeply of the fresh, moist air.
Oh, look! There's a rainbow in the sky. Oh, what beautiful colors. I wish I could see a rainbow up close sometime.
What? That's a wonderful idea, and it just may solve my problem. What? Yes, it's a splendid idea.
What idea?
Why? We'll visit Mr. Rainbow. That's what we'll do. Being up so high in the sky, he's bound to have seen what I did with my glasses. And you'll all be able to meet him. You'll like him so. I just know you will.
And so Nanny Bird and her friends all climbed up higher and higher, past the waters of the silvery stream, past the old wooden bridge, and past the trees of the forest of feathers and friends, until they were actually climbing on the clouds. Finally, a very tired.
Come in, Nanny Bird. I'm so glad to see you. Oh, and you've brought your friends. Wonderful. I was rather hoping for some company today. Rainy days are always a bit tricky, don't you think? That's why I've been polishing my stripes. I usually have company when I polish my stripes.
Oh, it's so good to see you, Mr. Rainbow.
Wow! Look at those colors. I've never seen anything more beautiful. He's even more beautiful up close than far away.
Why, thank you, children. I do like to take good care of my stripes. A rainbow is a promise, you know. A promise to all God's children that He loves you so much, just like you. Children are also a promise in the making.
What do you mean, Mr. Rainbow?
Well, John, I'll tell you. There's a promise waiting each of you. It makes God's love keep shining through. It's just begun, He's working you. There's so much more to come. Oh, there's so much more to come.
There's a promise growing inside of me. A Jesus love will set it free. It's just begun, He's working me.
There's so much more to come. Oh, there's so much more to come. He gave me a promise I love Him so. And in that special promise, I will grow and grow.
When I wiggle and I wriggle around,
That's a little of His promise,
but it's trying to get out.
not only to see my colors, but also to ask me something.
Oh, yes, I almost forgot. You see, Mr. Rainbow, I've had a very difficult day today. I lost my glasses. And how can you see to find your glasses without your glasses on to see?
You have a very good point there, Nanny Bird.
So you see, we've come all the way up here. A real hard time for the worm, I might add, just to ask if you saw where Nanny Bird put her glasses.
Since you live so high up in the clouds, we thought you could probably see everything from here.
Of course, you're quite right about being able to see a lot from up here. But although I did see Nanny Bird walking through the forest of feathers and friends today, I'm afraid I didn't see where she put her glasses.
Oh, Mr. Rainbow, if you don't know where Nanny Bird's glasses are, then nobody will know.
Oh, dear me. Now I'm quite sure I will never find them.
Oh, Nanny Bird, how will you ever see again?
Well, my dear friends, Jesus knows where the glasses are. I think maybe we should pray and ask him.
Oh, flying for love feathers. We should have done that in the very beginning. Would you pray, Jason?
Dear Jesus, do you know where Nanny Bird's glasses are? And, well, we've looked just about everywhere. And we can't think of any place else to look. Please help us find them. We love you, Jesus.
In Jesus' name, amen. That was a very special prayer, Jason. Now, cheer up everyone. We can sit around a rainbow being gloomy. Come on, slide down the stripes and have a little fun.
We're gonna slide down on the rainbow slide, down on the rainbow slide, down on the rainbow and just climb up, and it's slide. Down on the rainbow slide, down on the rainbow slide, down on the rainbow and down is the rainbow stripes.
Up in the sky is a place to see. That's God made just for you and me. Up in the sky, God's will be. That's God's promise just for you and me.
We're gonna slide down on the rainbow slide, down on the rainbow slide, down on the rainbow, climb up again and slide. Down on the rainbow slide, down on the rainbow slide, down on the rainbow and down is the rainbow stripes.
Come on, Nanny Bird. You can slide down Mr. Rainbow Stripes too.
I think I'm a little too big, John.
Come on, Nanny Bird. You can do it.
I'll just help Mr. Rainbow hold up his stripes. That's what I'll do.
Oh, dear. Well, if you think it's all right, I'll just climb up here.
It's perfectly alright, Nanny Bird.
Oh, well, here I go. Oh, double full of feathers.
What's the matter, Nanny Bird? Hey,
nothing. Even if I didn't help you find your glasses, I found out how to make new friends. You have to be a friend to make a friend.
Yeah, and we both learned how to share. And I found out that it can be a good thing to be little sometimes. And you think I'm special just for being myself, right, Kali?
You are right, Booker T. And I found out that just by loving someone, you can make them beautiful. And you all make me feel so beautiful.
Just think, Nanny Bird, if you hadn't gotten stuck in our playhouse, we would have never met our new friends.
Now we sure love coming with you, Nanny Bird.
You see, Nanny Bird? There's always a reason why Jesus allows certain things to happen in our lives. It sounds to me that everybody learned that they are special to Jesus. And now, you've each become very special to each other too.
Look how Jesus made you beautiful in Him. With His love He sees me beautiful within.
See how Jesus made me closer to the ground. But He made me special and fun to be around.
Special, specialities. That's how Jesus made us. Special, specialities. That's because He loves us. Special, specialities. That's how Jesus made us. Special, specialities. That's because He loves us.
See how Jesus made me one big hungry bear. But I still remember, good friends always share.
See how Jesus made me much like colors glow. As He gives a promise that He loves you so.
Special, speciality. That's how Jesus made us. Special, speciality. That's because He loves us. Special, speciality. That's how Jesus made us. Special, speciality. That's because He loves us. Special, speciality. That's how Jesus made us. Special, speciality. That's because He loves us. Special, speciality. That's how Jesus made us. Special, speciality. That's because He loves us. That's because He loves us.
Oh, flying philosophers, where has the time gone? You've been so busy singing and having fun that it must be close to dinner time.
In that case, be my guest and slide down my long purple stripes. It will take you all the way down to the edge of the forest of feathers and friends in practically no time at all.
Goodbye, Mr. Hero!
Bye, children. Goodbye, Booker T and Rebecca. So long, Marvin. See you soon, Nanny Bird.
And soon after the children, Nanny Bird, Starvin Marvin, Buckley